Let's see how to write a concurrent assertion from a given waveform. Here in the waveform, we can see a clock signal. There are four clock cycles in the clock pulse. Then we have even drawn another signal called request signal, which is high from the second clock cycle. As you can see below the request signal, there is another signal called grant, which is high at the third clock cycle. So how to write a concurrent assertion from this waveform? So first what we have to do is we have to write a Boolean expression from the waveform. So from this diagram, what can we see? We can see that the grant signal occurs one cycle after the request signal. So we can write REQ, then double has 1, which means one clock cycle delay. If we write double has 2, it means 2 cycle delay. If we write 3 after has, it means 3 cycle delay. Since it is 1 cycle delay here, we will write double has 1. So the Boolean expression will be request 2 has 1 grant. So signal grant occurs one cycle after signal request. After that, we need to write the sequence. How we will write the sequence? We will write the sequence between sequence and AND sequence. AND sequence, we need to write it together. Sequence, then we have to give the sequence name. Here we have given the sequence name as S. After that, we have written the Boolean expression. Then we write AND sequence. Next, what is the third step is we should write the property. Property, how we'll write? We'll write the property between property and AND property. Here we are writing property, that we are giving a name P. The P is the name of the property. Since in concurrent assertion, we observe the signal over time, we have given at the rate of Paget's clock. We can write property in two ways. If we'll write the sequence, then we have to write property P at the rate of Paget's clock as and property. And if we'll not write the sequence, then we can directly write property as property P at the rate of Paget's clock. Then we have to write a Boolean expression, request, one cycle delay grant, then and property. After that, we need to assert the property. Just give a name for A or something, anything else, then you have to use a colon, then write assert property, in bracket you write the name of the property. This is the way we need to write a concurrent assertion from a given waveform.